Hello, English learners. Welcome to another video of Think in English. I'm Sarah, your English teacher, and today we're going to learn useful phrases for shopping clothes while following my friend Emma and me during our shopping day. If you want to improve your English with real conversations, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hi Emma. Ready for our shopping day? Hey, Sarah. Yes, I'm so excited. I really need some new clothes for summer. Me too. Let's start with this store. They have beautiful dresses in the window display. Oh, you're right. Look at that blue floral dress. I love it. Excuse me, do you have this dress in size medium? Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. Sarah, what do you think about this color? It's gorgeous. The blue really suits you. While you try that on, I'll look at these blouses. Perfect. Oh, where are the fitting rooms? Sure thing. Just follow me, they're in the back of the store. These blouses are so cute. Emma, how's the dress? I'm not sure. Could you come and give me your opinion? Of course. Wow, Emma. It looks amazing on you. Do you really think so? I like it, but I'm worried it might be too formal. Not at all. You can dress it up or down. Try it with sneakers for a casual look, or heels for special occasions. You're right. I'll take it. Now let's find something for you. What about this white top? I've been looking for something like this. That would look perfect with your new jeans. Try it on. Okay. Excuse me, do you have this in small? Let me check. Yes, here you go. While you try that on, I'm going to look at the shoes section. This fits perfectly. Emma, what do you think? It looks fantastic. The cut is very flattering. I think I'll get it. Oh, look at the time. We should probably get going soon. Just let me quickly check these sandals. What size are you? I'm a size 7. Those brown ones are cute. They'd go great with your new top. Try them on. You're such a bad influence on my wallet. But you're right, they're perfect. Shall we head to the checkout? Yes, let's go. Excuse me, where can we pay? The registers are right over there, by the entrance. That was such a successful shopping trip. It really was. And now we both have great new outfits for summer. Should we grab a coffee before heading home? Great idea. We can plan our next shopping trip. And that's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning these useful shopping phrases in English. Remember to practice them next time you go clothes shopping. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more daily English conversations. See you in the next video.
Bye.